Hi, back with me again, Soul Red Chili, or Vince Kelly Hart, with another unboxing videos, with the Assassin's Creed limited edition, which is the Blu-Ray Steelbook and the digital HD. Alright, let's get it on. Oh, okay. So that can help with the camera. Are you serious? Oh, I'm alright now. Oh yeah, okay, you can hold it. Just like that. Okay, don't press it. Okay, just like that. Okay, that's it. Alright, so here we go. Oh, alright. So that's the logo of the Assassin's Creed, and this is the front cover. Oops, the digital. No. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty cool. Look from. I'm jumping. Whoa. Timber. Alright, so that's it. That's a quick unboxing of Assassin's Creed Steelbook limited edition. Alright, see you again.
This one.
Yeah.